do this.
So like, hey guys, welcome to our competition hair and makeup
Can we
tutorial.
not just use that? You saying that right now?
Just wave. Hey guys, this is Abby. Abby and Tennille today are going to do our competition hair and makeup tutorial. You're so awkward. First up, Abby's going to go through how to do our perfect competition ponytail.
Woo! Okay, we're going to be needing some hairspray, hairbrush of your choice, a bow of your team bow to put in your hair, hair lacquer for your ponytail, and a comb. Okay, first off, we need to brush our hair nice and neat.
The silence calls to me from the treetops of this world. A balance, feeling free. I'm a part of this place of love, and I know it cannot last, but it lasts.
Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm gonna get our hairspray, spray it all around. Got to get all the crazy bits down. We want to comb them with our comb. Anyway, keep combing till it's all nice and neat down. If you have some bumps like I do, I normally take it out and retie to make it nice and neat. Yeah. Then we're going to get our bow, your team bow. It sits on top of our head this way, it doesn't go backwards. No backwards. Nice and high on our head. You tie that nice and tight. And if you have bowie pins, you'd like to pin the back of your bow down so it doesn't fall out. And that is your I haven't worn makeup in a while. This is gonna be interesting. What's going on? Oh, where's my stuff? First you want to put some like primer on. You can use any primer, but I use the Arbonne primer. Alright, next. You're gonna get your favorite beauty blender and your favorite foundation that matches your skin tone. Just want to pump it onto your hand or wherever you want, really. Doesn't really matter. And then I just kind of chuck it. Oh, I can't do this. I want my mirror at home. Ah! Make sure you blend it down your neck. Yeah. We don't want no cake lines and your ears because their hair's tied up. Alright, then you're gonna get some concealer. Any concealer will do. Usually 2 to 3 shades lighter than your foundation. Or lighter if you want. And you're just gonna chuck it under your arms. Now we are done with this actually. Little trick to make makeup stay. Get some setting spray before you put on powder and just like spray it on. And let it dry. And then put setting powder. Do this like. And then once your setting spray is dry, just like put heaps of this one. Don't sweep, that's gonna move your foundation. You wanna like
Stipple.
do this and like move the brush at the same time. Keep touching your face to see if it's actually setted. It's not a weird deal. And then again, more setting spray. Oh, this one's like beautiful. Okay, you're gonna get some silver eyeshadow. I have some cream eyeshadow. You can use normal silver eyeshadow if you want. And you're gonna put that just on the inner corner. Make sure, yep, cool. Okay, you want to get any pink, this one. Oh my lord. Oh my god. If you can find a darker pink, I'm using this one.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
And get a clean brush, and you can just kind of blend together.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
Blend, blend, blend.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Mascara. Make sure that you wipe some excess off.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
How am I meant to eat?
You broke the comb that's in your head.
Well, that's what you get for a makeshift comb. He's going.
Beck, you're like awkwardly in the background.
You're like,
What's going on, guys?
okay, ready.